Investing in Nigeria has never been easier. With just your smartphone, you can grow your money, earn returns, and build wealth over time. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 investment apps Nigerians are using today. Next is Trove. Trove gives you access to global stocks, ETFs, bonds, and even cryptocurrencies. It's a great option for investors who want flexibility and a wide range of investment choices. First on the list is Bamboo. Bamboo allows Nigerians to invest in US and Nigerian stocks and ETFs. It's beginner-friendly, trusted, and perfect if you want exposure to international markets. Reservest focuses on dollar-based investments. With Reservest, you can invest in US stocks, real estate, and fixed income assets, helping you protect your money against inflation. Cowrywise is perfect for beginners who want to save and invest automatically. It offers mutual funds, savings plans, and long-term investment options designed to help you grow wealth gradually. Piggyvest is popular for disciplined saving and simple investing. It helps you build good money habits while earning interest on your savings and investment plans. The best investment app depends on your goals. Some apps are better for stocks, others for savings or dollar investments. Choose what aligns with your financial plans and risk level. Always invest wisely. Use licensed platforms, avoid guaranteed return schemes, and invest for the long term. Smart investing is about patience and consistency. You don't need to be rich to start investing. Start small, stay consistent, and let your money grow over time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more money tips.